Everybody, I got a really fun unboxing for you guys. This is called a makie. So we're going to open up this tube and see what we got. Let's see. I think it opens this way. Yep. Let's slide everything out. Oh, here she is. Oh. There she is. My makie. And she also got some other goodies in here. Well, that's everything that was in the tube. So how about we open some of these surprises and see what we got inside. So we've got some clothes. And here we've got a shirt. That says skater. And we've got some shorts. Let's open this one. See what's inside this one. We've got some pants. This is a big surprise because I didn't know what was in these bags. And we've got this top here. This is cute. So we've got some pink striped pants and we've got a blue top. We've got two outfits. Oh, what's this? I don't even know what this is. Okay. And we've got some shoes in here. We've got some blue and purple. Got some shoes in here. So cute. I think one of the shoes is missing. But that's okay. Let's see what else we got. Let me take out the shoes so you guys can see. Yes, one of the shoes is missing, but that's okay. We've got, oh wait. Yeah, one of the shoes is missing, so one of the blue shoes is missing. But that's okay. We've got two black shoes. We've got two red shoes. We've got an extra pair of feet. And we've got one blue shoe. And we've got some pairs of earrings in here. Let's see what we got. We've got lightning bolts, we've got stars, and we've got hoops in blue. So that's really cool. I still don't know what this is, but that's okay. Now we've also got the makies right here. She's tied in. So let's untie her and get her out. So this is the makie here. She's super cute. She has on brown boots, black and white striped shirt, and some khaki shorts. She has blue eyes, pink lips, star earrings, which I think are a little bit chipped, but that's okay. She has a blonde wig. It's really nice. And she also comes with, I think this is a dress. Yeah, this is like a little dress. Let's take this out so I can show you guys what this looks like. This is like a little dress, I think. Yeah, it's a little dress. It has like a diamond deer and like a little diamond on the top. It's really cute. It's a little dress. It's got like some little lace detailing on the top. So she comes with a little dress and a couple outfits and some shoes. So pretty good for what you're getting. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. She does have a lot of joints. So she can move at the shoulders, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. So does she have feet under here, or are her feet? Let's see. I think she does. Yeah, she does. Yeah, she does have feet under the shoes. So. She's very cute. Let's see if we can change her outfit. Oh wow, so these boots are actually just like regular feet. So these are her feet. Okay. Now that makes sense. So the boots are actually like Brat's feet. Interesting. So here she is with her actual feet on her. And strangely, some of her toes are painted and some of them aren't. That's weird. But that's okay. I don't think this doll is brand new like she was advertised as, but that's actually okay with me. I wasn't really expecting a brand new makie for the price that she was actually advertised at. So let's put her in one of the outfits. And for people curious what the body looks like, it's your standard doll body. Pretty much your standard. It looks like a standard ball joint kind of body. Your standard doll body. So I'm going to put her in the blue outfit. As soon as I figure out how. Let's see. There we go. Sorry about that, you guys. I had to actually figure out how to get the shoes to actually stay on. But isn't she cute? So the way these work is that the heads were 3D printed. Like, you could get any design that you wanted. You could, like, pick out how the face was, how the face shaped, the ears, the nose, the mouth, all that stuff. Eye shape, all that stuff. And they would print it out for you. Now, these are discontinued, so you can't really have them made anymore. So I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. She was about 33, I think. So a really good deal. I haven't really seen them too very often though. But yeah. And you can get them, you can hardly ever find them for a good price. So this was a really good treat to get. So she's really cute. I like her so much. So this is my makie. She's really fun. And I think the hair is a wig. I think. Might be rooted. Let me see. Is it rooted to her head? No, it's a wig. Yeah, it's a wig. So the hair is a wig. So the hair is a wig, so you can change it if you want. I wasn't sure if some of them were rooted or if they all had wigs. So these all have wigs, so you can change the wigs. And you can change the eyes out if you want to. The body is not 3D printed, it's just your regular doll body. But the shoes are also 3D printed, and the accessories like the earrings are also 3D printed. Which is pretty cool. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time with another interesting doll. Bye now.